The landing page is a new concept in PeopleSoft that provides a single homepage experience for all users across targeted roles such as an employee, manager, business analyst, recruiter, or administrator. The new HCM landing page provides an inviting, informative, and content-rich user experience that suggests tasks for users to complete and guides them to unfinished tasks. In Update Image 53, PeopleSoft HCM delivers an example landing page that leverages the new styling capabilities in PeopleTools 862, giving full control over the look and feel of homepage, dashboard, section, and tile objects in the application using CSS. Examples of the styling capabilities include the textured background of the landing page, section border shapes, section background colors, and tiles styled as buttons or links. The first section on the landing page is the Welcome section, which greets the user. This section optionally displays an uploaded photo and displays other types of messages such as birthdays and work anniversaries. You can dynamically generate navigation and content that displays on the landing page using Notification Composer using in-app notifications. In-app notifications published to the landing page have configurable icons and text that generate a tile dynamically based on criteria and a recipient list. These one-time or recurring notifications can be configured to be dismissed individually by the user or auto-dismissed when the criteria are no longer met or when an expiration date is met. In Update Image 53, 4 example Notification Composer-based sections are provided, including the Banner Announcements, Suggestions, Continue With, and Announcements sections. Use the Banner Announcements section to highlight important alerts such as system downtimes, holiday closures, or other information that organizations want users to see when they first log in. The Suggestions section contains tiles that display suggested actions or tasks the user has not started. Examples include pending approvals, onboarding steps, open enrollment, performance documents, and many more. To view an item, click a suggestion directly, or select the edit icon to review all your suggestions. If configured to do so, you can dismiss a suggestion from this page. The Continue With section displays tasks users start but do not complete or submit in PeopleSoft. Transactions that support Save for Later, Save as Draft, or activity guides that allow users to exit and save their place will appear in this section. Example transactions configured for Continue With include onboarding, pre-boarding, remote worker, absence requests, and many more. The tiles in this section provide quick navigation back to the unfinished transactions. Once the task is submitted or completed, the task is removed from the Continue With section. When all tasks are complete, an All Caught Up badge appears in this section. The Announcements section allows you to publish announcements to a list of recipients based on defined criteria. Select an announcement to view more information. Announcements can contain rich text, images, and embedded links for PeopleSoft or external transactions. The Quick Access section provides navigation to common organization-wide tasks like those available in self-service. A View More link appears when more tasks are available. Select the link to display more tasks. To collapse the section, select the View Less link. The My Work section provides navigation to the common everyday work items for a manager, business analyst, or administrator. The tiles in this section provide quick navigation links to transactions such as approvals or work centers. Supporting sections for everyday work items are the Team section for the manager, Human Resources, Time and Attendance, and Recruiting, which are organized by role, business area, or business process. Additionally, there is a Reporting and Process Tools section which makes it easy for administrators to review the output and processing status of reports, queries, and processes. The recently visited Favorites and Favorite Searches sections provide direct access to the same information available in the Quick Access bar in the portal banner. These sections provide users with a subset of the recently visited navigation items, navigation the user has favorited, or saved searches that have been favorited in the application. These sections provide one-click access directly from the landing page. At the bottom of the landing page is a configurable footer area that allows you to specify text and other information to users on the landing page. This example landing page feature can be used as is out of the box, or it can be used as a starting point for you to implement your own modern user experience using the example provided. This completes our demonstration of the PeopleSoft HCM example landing page feature. Dashboards in PeopleTools 862 now have the same capabilities provided by home pages to organize and display content and navigation in sections. In conjunction with the new HCM landing page, PeopleSoft HCM introduces several new dashboards to support the task-oriented experience that guides users to complete and prioritize their work efficiently. 2 new dashboards are provided for self-service users in the Quick Access section. The first is Benefits Pay and Time. This dashboard provides a consolidated view of content and navigation from time and labor, absence management, payroll, year-end forms or slips, benefits, and compensation. The next is the Personal Details dashboard, which displays content and navigation items for biographical, contact, compliance, equality, disability, and other data. The Team section provides common content and navigation items for managers to view and update their direct and indirect reports. The View All link at the bottom of the section navigates the user to the new Team dashboard. This consolidated self-service view for managers provides content and navigation items for approvals and approval insights, time and labor, absence management, remote worker, recognition, compensation, org chart, team calendar, performance, profiles, career and succession planning, recruiting, and onboarding details for the manager's organization. The Human Resources section provides common transactions for business analysts and administrators across human resources, compensation, position management, profiles, performance, career and succession planning, and learning areas. The Manage People and Jobs tile navigates to the new Manage People and Jobs dashboard, which delivers a consolidated view of all the necessary tasks for managing the workforce. It provides items for creating employees, contingent workers, persons of interest, maintaining jobs, positions, profiles, and much more. You can also review insights, reports, and review approvals. The Time and Attendance section provides common navigation items for business analysts, administrators, and timekeepers across time and labor and absence management. The Administer Time and Attendance tile navigates to the new Administer Time and Attendance dashboard, which delivers a consolidated view for time and labor and absence administration. It provides items for time entry, absences, schedules and shifts, reporting, setup and configuration, and visualizing insights. The Recruiting section provides the common navigation items to support the everyday work of the recruiter, recruiting manager, and recruitment administrator. The View All link at the bottom of this section navigates the user to the Recruiting dashboard, which delivers a consolidated view for the recruiting needs of the organization. It provides navigation items for recruiting tasks, job openings, daily recruiting tasks, as well as personalized sections for recruiters and administrators that show their job openings, applicants, and a Continue With section. The Recruiter Continue With section shows job openings and job offers the recruiter or recruitment administrator started but saved as a draft before submission. Applicant insights as well as detailed applicant data for recruitment administrators can be visualized. This completes our demonstration of the PeopleSoft HCM example dashboards for the landing page feature. Notification Publisher enables you to deliver content and navigation through email, in-app notifications, or text messaging in PeopleSoft using Notification Composer. With PeopleTools 862, in-app notifications can be used to publish information directly to a landing page section, ensuring timely and consistent communication. For example, you can publish notifications to display organization news or alerts to the banner announcement and announcements sections. Previously known as HR notifications in HCM, the Enhanced Notification Publisher framework is now available in Enterprise Components. This enables all application pillars to use the framework to create one-time or recurring notifications, which can be sent immediately or at a scheduled date to reach broader audiences. To support publishing notifications using this framework, Notification Composer adds Notification Publisher as a new source for configuring notifications. When selected, the system pre-populates the notification link page with parameters for the notification details page. This default page displays the details of the selected notification on the landing page as shown in this example. The Publish Notifications page is now available in Fluid for users to compose and send notifications in Notification Publisher. This example demonstrates how to publish a company announcement to a landing page section. Select a category. The system delivers the banner announcement category specifically for publishing system-wide announcements for the landing page, like system alerts. General notification is the default category. It is not used for the landing page. You can create categories for publishing notifications. In this example, use Travel Desk, which publishes a travel-related announcement to the announcement section on the landing page. The View Category Details link appears if the selected category is linked to a notification event ID from Notification Composer. The link displays information about the associated notification event, such as the landing page section where the published notification will appear. The Notification Content Details section displays the in-app content from the associated notification event in Notification Composer. This is the default content to use for the notification. The posting date defaults to today's date, but you can update this to a future date if needed. You can add an expiration date to dismiss the notification after a specific date, and even set up a daily, weekly, or monthly recurring schedule for the notification through advanced options. Specify who should receive the notification. You can target all users of specific roles, or to custom recipient lists you create using recipient types. Use the Override Notification Content option to update the notification content if needed. When enabled, the fields in the Notification Content Details section becomes editable. You can insert a predefined page link or attachments for recipients to access additional resources if applicable. Review and publish the notification. The published notification appears in the announcement section on the landing page for the target audience. Select to view the announcement detail. Note that if the landing page is not used, published announcement notifications are viewable from the announcement style on the home page. This completes our demonstration of the Notification Publisher feature. The new Customization Insights combines your customizations with PUM metadata, providing an intuitive view of your customizations and enabling you to make data-driven decisions. You'll see the customization level for your application, which customizations have been impacted by application maintenance, those that haven't been used recently, which product area a customization affects, and more. When you enable Usage Monitor in your environments, over time you'll see which customizations are used. You can also see which product area has used or unused customizations. With your customization data combined with the PUM metadata, you can see when your customizations were impacted by delivered changes. Enhanced POM metadata comes with 862-based PeopleSoft Update Images. If you haven't applied the latest image, you can also see which customizations will be impacted by future maintenance. The customization impacts is more than a count of customizations. It shows you how many times your customizations were impacted by delivered update images. Use this data to find which customizations require more effort to maintain. To view the data at a more granular level, select a product to filter and see product-specific details. The data table included in the Customization Insights dashboard shows which objects are impacted for the selected product. PeopleTools 862 includes the tools to calculate and populate the insights data. HCM Image 53 includes the Customization Insights dashboard as well as the enhanced POM metadata that power the insights. To get started with Customization Insights, you must be on PeopleTools 862 and apply the patches from this HCM image to your target environments. Then you can use the Delivered wizard in Change Assistant to populate your customization insights. Refer to the PeopleTools 862 highlights video for more information. This completes our demonstration of the Customization Insights feature. The Remote Worker feature now enables you to display a subset of interactive insights to approvers directly from the Approval Request Details page. This enhancement aids in understanding workforce distribution, whether individuals work from the office, fully remote or hybrid, along with a detailed chart showing employee remote days. Users can also access the full Remote Worker Insights dashboard for a more comprehensive view of data. This completes the embedded insight on Remote Worker Approval Request page feature description. PeopleSoft continues to modernize U.S. federal administrative functions by fluidizing the Add Person and Modify Person transactions. Use the Add Person tile to add a new person into the system. If you need to update data for an existing individual, use the Modify Person tile. When adding a person, you can perform a search match to ensure the person you're adding doesn't already exist in the system. To see more detailed information, select the Organizational Relationship link or View arrow button. If a person is a match, you can access and edit the information from this page. If there aren't any matches, select Add Person to add the new person. This displays the fluid person data page with steps and sections that appear within the context of an activity guide. Drop zone and drop zone steps combined with page and field configurator allow agencies to add or change content as well as add their own steps within the guided process without customizing these transactions. The regional section displays the fluid U.S. federal government subsection in person data to track ethnic data, smoker status, and work status, where you can track information such as Medicare, citizenship, and military information. After you've added a person, the Submit Confirmation page provides a link to the Add Organizational Relationship page. Use this page to identify the person's relationship to the organization. When you add the relationship, the system takes you to the classic U.S. federal hire, contingent worker, or person of interest pages. With upcoming images, PeopleSoft plans to expand the modernization of administrative functions to include the hire of U.S. federal employees, contingent workers, and persons of interest. Other features include improved validation, attachments, and a transaction summary that shows before and after values before submission. For more information on person data modernization, please review the Update Image 47 highlights video. This completes the Personal Data Modernization for U.S. Federal HR feature description. Payroll for North America converts existing paid family and medical leave programs to adopt the Program Funding Configuration Framework. The conversion provides employers with greater flexibility eliminating the need for costly customizations, and ensures reporting continues to function seamlessly using the same tax classes as before. This update includes converted programs for Connecticut, the District of Columbia, Massachusetts, and Washington. This completes the Convert Paid Leave feature description. Fluid Paycheck Modeler, first introduced for US employees, is now also available for payroll administrators. With the help of the modeling tool, payroll administrators can simulate employee paychecks and provide support for paycheck inquiries. This completes the Fluid US Paycheck Modeler for Administrators feature description. Recruiting Solutions has adopted the PeopleTools 862 Automated Incremental Indexing feature, ensuring your recruitment data remains current without having to individually schedule nightly incremental index runs for every index. The Setup page allows you to map all the effective date and last update date time fields to your search definition. Any update to these records is identified by the PeopleTools process, which schedules an incremental index run. This also includes updating the index when a future effective dated row becomes current. Enable automatic incremental indexing for your search definition. In this example, there's a job opening for the Finance and Administration Department. However, there's a future dated update to the department description. When the date arrives, the incremental indexing process identifies this change and schedules an index run. The updated department name now shows up automatically for the job opening. This completes the Automated Incremental Indexing for Recruiting feature description. PeopleSoft continues to enhance indexing data changes across the application. The latest enhancement notifies the administrator whenever any setup table without a last update date time field is modified, identifying data that is not captured during incremental indexing. This aids in avoiding incorrect or out-of-date data in the index. When you change a value on a setup table, like the description field, it sends a notification to the administrator. Administrators can select the notification to review the impacted search definitions and run a full index for all the impacted search definitions. Once run, the updated data is reflected on all the search pages and insights built using these indexes. With upcoming images, PeopleSoft plans to expand this enhancement to include more setup tables and indexes. This completes the Notifying Administrator on Setup Table Updates feature description.
We've only shown you the highlights of the features in this PeopleSoft Update Image. For more information about these features and the other enhancements, see the CFO tool, the Update Image overview on My Oracle Support, and go to the PeopleSoft Information Portal for updates.